What is up, people? It's your boy Scroll World, and in this review we will test how to get the latest working scripts for your Blox Fruits game on your Roblox, absolutely free, safe and online, without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have. Navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily. Click browse scripts, and Blox Fruits is the first one. So click there, guys, it should load up, and then we will have to connect our account by entering our user ID or our username. And that's pretty much it what we'll have to enter, so you don't have to worry, guys. I will just enter my username. It's Josh, like this. Click connect account. It will start fetching our Roblox profile, and you should get this confirmation. So if it's you guys, just click yes connect, and that's pretty much it, how to connect. So there we go. Now we will have to get any executor into our Roblox in order to get our scripts, but don't worry, because we can import now Delta executor. So guys, if you already have Delta, just make sure to select yes. If you already have a different executor, just make sure to select I already have a different executor. And if you have no, like me, just import new as Delta executor by clicking there. So there we go. Now we got option for installing additional scripts to our Blox Fruits. So guys, just select your script that you would like to install. I will select Overflow, Forage Hub, NICUs, and Soluna, these four, and click continue. When you select this, so API will start connecting, and make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more. And let's see. Nice, guys, API is connected. Our 4 scripts selected already, and our key is there as well. Nice, guys. So now we will have to click I'm not a robot, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, and let's see what we will get. So let's see. Nice, guys. Thank you for passing the bot check. Our user ID and our key is now fully revealed, and it's connected. So let's open our Roblox right now, and let's see, is it actually working, right? So let's search for Blox Fruits. There we go. Click there, guys. Click play, and let's wait a little bit, so it should load up. So guys, we should receive 5 things. First thing is Delta executor, and 4 another things are scripts. Look at this. Look at this, guys. We're actually receiving our Delta. We got it successfully. Let's check for the scripts. Nice, guys. Overflow, Forge Hub, NICUs, and Soluna, just as we selected. I cannot believe that it actually worked. After testing a lot of websites, bloxforge.com was the only working. So let me click there, guys. I will execute this NICUs, and let's see, is it actually working, right? So look at this, guys. Scripts are working successful. Let's wait a little bit. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Now we can auto farm. Click there, and look at this. It will farm automatically. And guys, you can test a lot of scripts. So look at this. You can select a lot of scripts and see what you like and test it, guys. So it worked amazing. We have auto farming now, and this bloxforge.com website is working amazing, guys. So I'm so excited because it actually worked, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this and found it helpful, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.